welcome to my channel. This is my initial system, filtration system that I set up earlier, which has failed terribly. So in this video I will show you how it failed and what is the new system like. It basically started with a top tier of mechanical filter flow by the bottom tray to house the biomedia. It does not work. Anyway, this is the new DIY top tier mechanical, followed by 4 tiers of Bakki shower format. And you can see here it houses a total of 5 tiers. The 3 lower tiers are shorter in height. They are just 14 centimeters because I do not want to put too many heavy things at the top. So the 3 lower tiers, approximately in terms of weight, I have about 10 kg per tier. So it's total 30 kg. And the second upper tier is 23 centimeters in height. There I have housed oyster shells and some bio balls to make it lighter. I don't want it to be too heavy at the top, so it's all the lighter weight stuff at the top of the Bakki shower. So on top is the first tier. It's all pure mechanical filter. This total height is 30 centimeters. Now this is how it comes in. The water is pumped up. I have a 5,000 liters capacity pump. It pumps up, and I built a stainless steel tray here, which is 100 grade. Very cheap. You can buy this online. So basically I just fold them into a tray form, and it's working basically. It is you can see here lots of shit and organic matters, and below here are all the foams. What you don't see here is at the bottom of the this mechanical filter is a 12 watt UVC light. So in total I have 4 layers of foam, from coarse down to medium to very fine, and hopefully this is to trap more organic and dirt before it is pumped back into the falls down to the Bakki shower, and then waterfall into the pond. Then I realized I have another problem. If I put the stainless steel tray just sitting on top of the foam, it will flood within a day because of the close contact. So what I need to do, I need to lift it up away from the first layer of foam, so it will have a gap where the water will trickle down from the spray in the stainless steel tray. So what I did was to make a gooseneck and then connect the spray pipe into the gooseneck, so this will allow me more height for the tray and the water spray. Then I lift the tray up using existing unused PVC pipe. At the corner you can see the white in color pipe is basically to lift it up. Then I have a total of 1.5 inch gap. Here is a quick look of my 40 liter moving bed tank, a very small one. I don't have enough space, so I can only build a small tank here. It's drawing water from the mechanical filter. After the water is being filtered, it moves down through a 20 mm pipe, goes into the tank. It rises up from the bottom and then exits through a 32 mm pipe into the pond. In this case, I should not have a overflow problem because the outflow is larger than the inflow. And this is the basically a valve for me, just in case I need to release water or change the water inside the moving bed itself. And Here I will talk a little bit more about this reservoir tank here, you can see, which is giving me a lot of problem initially. This reservoir tank gave me a lot of problem initially because of stagnant water, dead spots, so and so forth, and I had a lot of problem with ammonia and nitrite. So because there's dead spots everywhere, I'm adding now air bubbles into the reservoir to circulate the water, so that the water is basically aerated at the same time moving about to allow filtration to take place. As you can see, it's quite messy, lots of tube here, air tube here and there everywhere. Now here, a quick look at the accessories I have. I have a UVC light in the mechanical filter. So I have two air pump, one with a battery built in just in case of power stoppages. Yeah, so this is the overall feel of this mechanical Bakki shower filtration system. That's the moving bed exit pipe, outflow pipe rather. And this is the DIY fountain, the shower that water fountain that I built my own using a spare cover, PVC cover that is laying around. I cut it and then put it at an angle, and voila, it works. As long as it has a waterfall, it's fine. And in front of the window, I have put a centimeter long tape, measuring tape, and interval of every 10 cm I make a marker. So when I'm sitting around here looking at my fish, I can take a quick snap when they are in line with the tape, parallel to the tape, like this, and then I know exactly or roughly what is their length or roughly how much they have grown. So over here, before I conclude, I'm not here to teach anybody. I'm learning from a lot of experienced YouTubers, koi enthusiasts out there building their own filtration system. You can learn from them. What I'm saying is that here I'm sharing my mistakes. I'm sure there will be a lot of tweaking to do as days goes by, and I will encourage you to join my channel and keep you informed. And please like and subscribe. Thank you.